linear motion in laboratory automation. In contemporary laboratories, the quest for precise outcomes in various tasks is paramount, and the integration of automation technologies offers a compelling solution to achieve both efficiency and accuracy in complex procedures. Even the minutest deviations in control can significantly affect the reliability of test results. Hence, fully automated analyzers are increasingly employed to deliver more precise and consistent results. Linear rail systems play a pivotal role in these advanced automated technologies. One prominent application is in robotic arms, where linear motion components are utilized to ensure exact sample handling and processing. The precision afforded by these components is crucial in minimizing errors and enhancing overall experimental accuracy. Additionally, liquid handling systems rely heavily on linear motion elements to guarantee accurate dispensing and mixing of reagents. This ensures homogeneity in reactions and enhances the validity of the analytical process. Linear motion also enables analytical instruments to perform smooth, precise, and reproducible movements, vital for achieving reliable measurements and analyzing. By incorporating linear motion systems, laboratories can significantly enhance their analytical capabilities, leading to more accurate and reproducible results in a wide array of scientific endeavors.